For today's Nature Spot Challenge. Yesterday, I painted the watercolor lavender flowers color swatch. And today, I'm laying down some water first.
Paint colors and watercolor challenge information are in the description of this video. Today's nature journaling and watercolor swatching will use greens for the leaves of the lavender and try to color match them. After painting light greens, I paint darker greens with a fine tipped brush, let it dry, and then remove some of that dark paint with water to give the impression of the lavender leaves in this nature journaling watercolor swatching daily challenge.